Hello, Facebook Live. Marcus here. What is up, everybody? Hopefully, I'm back. I just got my Facebook Live just ended abruptly a minute or so into it, so I apologize if you're on that feed. Hopefully, the notification will come up. I like to always make sure usually notifications pop on my phone, and there it goes. Aroma Time is live. Cool. Hopefully, we'll stay live this time. We're just having a great Saturday. I've been today. Got my run in this morning. Doing a lot of work because Jamie and I were at vineyards all week, literally all week. We stay by a full day in Long Island, 80 plus wineries. There's just so much Long Island. Amazing, amazing. If you've been to Long Island country, drop a comment. Wine country. There are some really cool top-notch wines coming out of there, and there've always been some top-notch wines coming out of Long Island. They helped put New York on the map many years. And now they're helping put sparkling wines on the map. There's some Sparkling Point is making some amazing traditional method champenoise. So, all right. I've ended. Hopefully this live didn't end. So we're back on live. Sometimes I'm on, and all of a sudden just Facebook just kicks me off or something. Internet connection usually brings me back, and I'll work through it and I'll go through it. But sometimes Facebook just ends me. I don't think I am, but yeah. So if you're tuning in this morning or this afternoon, comment hashtag live or hashtag replay. So Joel Matthews on. So all right. So been getting a couple. No, I don't want to leave. Okay, still on. I just asked everyone to leave and end the live video. I don't want to do that. All right, so got calls this morning, and got a really sad phone call though. Very, very first thing this morning at 2:30 a.m. We got a phone call that, and I can say because it's public knowledge, that Tommy Keegan passed away. Had a motorcycle accident. Tommy Keegan, of course, founder of Keegan Ales in Kingston. They opened up. We did 2003, so we always would celebrate the same year anniversary of business. It's posted on the Keegan's page right now. Very, 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 very sad to hear that. They just posted about 40 minutes ago. First phone call today at 2:30 in the morning that Tommy Keegan was in an accident. Sad. Very, very. They're opening the brewery today because they said that's what Tommy wanted to do. Was the brewery to be open. So that is that's a different. Wasn't going to go that direction, but that was the first phone call we got today. We've gotten several phone calls today. Two steaks and two ribeyes and a bottle of wine. Even one person goes, I got it the other day and I want to get another one. Are you still doing it? How long is it going on for? Other people called and said, I know it's just, is it a May 1st thing? So here's my answer. I got plenty of ribeyes and I got plenty of wine. For a few more days until, I can, say buy more ribeyes. I've got the product here, so there's no reason why I can't do it. I've got plenty of wine here, folks. Got plenty of wine for that. So there's no reason why I can't be doing that special. So if you want to get in on the grilled ribeyes, 2 grilled ribeyes and a bottle of wine, it's going to be an open-ended date because as soon as the wine runs down, I'll have to say, okay, I'll pour wine. Because I got this really good deal on these amazing wines. I had to buy 40 cases of wine to get these kind of deals. We got some really good deals on some high-quality wine. And if I can get some more of that wine, continuing this, and the ribeye is no problem for me to get. So yeah, so that's the story with that. 99 this week is crushing it. The scampi. Some people are ordering the shrimp scampi and the ribeye. So they're getting shrimp scampi and for literally $44.99, and they're making their own turf. They're taking the shrimp and making surf and turf out of it with the lobster. That was a cool idea. Somebody said that the other day. That was last week before we left, that they're making their own surf and on Monday night. And I was like, that's really cool. That's awesome. They go, how can you go wrong? Two surf and turfs $45 with a bottle of wine, they go, it's a no-brainer. So, yeah, if you want to look at it that way, that's an easy one to do. All right, folks, we're 3 o'clock today, and Wednesday, we're supposed to have a little margarita day here in Ellenville. The streets are supposed to be closed off for traffic, opened up for street dining. If the weather, Gennaro from Gabby's came down from the other day and said, hey, you want to do this? And I said, yeah, I'm total game for it. See what they say. But we're going to have our margarita machine outside. Of course, it's all weather. Have our margarita machine outside, frozen margaritas, do flavored margaritas. We'll be giving out free. We're going to do cotton candy, organic cotton candy out there. We'll do give out chalk so the kids can really think Cinco de Mayo is a big family day, but if there are any kids out, that'll be the story with that. Yeah, so we're going to make it fun and exciting out there on Wednesday. Hopefully the weather will cooperate. When we first planned this, it was looking like it was going to be 70 degrees and sunny. Now it's going to be like 60 degrees and rainy. But you really can't make a decision with any of these weather apps until like the day before, 2 days in. So it's only 50% chance of rain. It's only going to be high 61 today. We do have outdoor dining today. Tomorrow's going to be 73 and partly cloudy, but today's going to be high 61. I have the fire pit going. In fact, I'm going to light the fire pit here soon, so it's a really good fire. The fire pit will be going. The heat lamps will be on outside. Our garden is open, so that's going to be happening. All right, folks. If you were tuning in live, drop a comment, #live. It was on the replay, #replay. And again, our deepest condolences to the Keegan-Ailes family for the loss of Tommy Keegan yesterday. And I heard it happened right here in the neighborhood, like in Kerhonkson or in Lundy or something. I heard it was where it happened at. So I was kind of hoping 3:30 a.m. was part of a dream and not really, a real phone call. But this morning he called me and he said, as far as he knows, it's true. Nothing's posted, but it is as of 40-ish minutes ago on the Keegan-Ailes. So very, very unfortunate and to the food and dining world and beer world in the Hudson Valley here. So, all right, folks. Everybody have an amazing day, amazing weekend, and we hope to see you soon. Talk to you later.